Hi, it's Patrick. Today I'm going to do Perpetual FIFO for P6-5A. So I have the initial data in here. The beginning inventory on February the 1st was 36 at $21 a unit, which gives us a total cost of inventory for $756 for the beginning inventory. Then on the 7th of February we had a sale, so I put that in as negative 18 because we're taking units out of the inventory, and the sales price, it doesn't really matter for this, so I didn't put it in. And then for purchase 1 on the 23rd of February, we bought 50 units at $20 a unit for a total cost of $1,000. And on sale 2 we sold 50 units on the 26th of February. And then on the 10th of March we purchased, on purchase 2 we bought 24 units at $19 for $456 total cost. And then on the 23rd of March we sold 3 more units, we sold 32 more units for sale 3, which gives us a ending inventory of 10 and a total cost of goods available for sale of $2,212. So for Perpetual FIFO, what we have to do is calculate the cost of goods sold. And so I'm going to use a running balance on the side. So this is just going to be a counter for how many units I have left as I enter in the sales and calculate the cost of goods sold. So I have 36 units for the beginning inventory. I have 50 units for purchase 1, and I have 24 units for purchase 2. And now I'm just going to move this over. We have sale 1, where we have 18 units, and because we're doing first in, first out, that means that obviously only 36 units go in, so that means that, or these 36 units are the only ones we have, so we're going to use them. So that's 18 at $21, and then what I'm going to do is subtract those 18 units here, and that gives us 18 left out of those initial 36 in the beginning inventory. And then we're going to do a total cost. So the first sale gives us a cost of goods sold of $378. Then on sale 2, we sold 50 units, and because we're doing first in, first out, that means that we have to use these 18 first. So I'm going to make this 18 at 21, and then this is now 0, so we have no units left from that initial 36. And then we're going to do 50 minus 18, equals 50. And that gives us 32 more units. We're going to take 32 out of this at $20, out of purchase 1, and that leaves us with 18 units left in purchase 1. And that will give us, for the 18 at 21, cost of goods sold of $378 again, and for the 32 at $20, $640, and then we're gonna add that up and do a quick sum. And so for sale 2, we had a cost of goods sold of $1,018. So we're gonna move on to sale 3 now, and we sold 32 units here. So we're gonna have to finish off these 18 remaining ones from purchase 1. So we're gonna go there at $20. And that will give us probably $360, okay. And then we have 18 minus 32, 14 units left. So we're going to take that, we're going to move this down to 0, sorry. I should have done that for the 18 units we sold here. And then we have to sell 14 more units. So we're going to take those 14 out of purchase 2 at $19, which will give us a cost of goods sold for that at $266, and we're going to add these up again to get the total cost of goods sold for sale 3 being $626. And so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sums of these 3 sales together, so 378 plus 1018 plus 626, and this will be our cost of goods sold. So I'm just going to underline this and make it look pretty. So this is our cost of goods sold. And we know that this is right because, or we know that we have all our units because once I remove this 14, which I forgot to do, sorry, this should be 10. Then we know that this 10 matches the ending inventory that we were supposed to have in our running balance, so we know that we didn't miss any units. And then for our ending inventory, all we're going to do is take our cost of goods available for sale, which is up here, which we found over here, 2,212, and we're going to subtract the 2022 of our cost of goods sold, and then we're just going to add those up, and that should give us our ending inventory. So this is our ending inventory. So this is pretty much how you do Perpetual FIFO for P6-5A. It's not too hard. Hopefully you found this easy to follow, even though I forgot a couple things. And that's all for today. Thank you.